boing, 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 boing. Here comes little bunny Sana. Today we'll be learning about pollution. Now I promised we'll learn about tux paint in the next video. I also persuaded you, but this is my assignment. I thought, how about I make it fun by making a video and uploading it on YouTube. Alright? Today's topic is pollution. But what is pollution? Pollution is an act of causing harm to the environment. Now, what are the types of pollution? What is pollution? These are some examples you can see I kept on this large screen, like air pollution and dozens of other stuff you can see here. Now, what are the types of pollution? 1. Air pollution. 2. Water pollution. 3. Noise pollution. 4. Land pollution. Air pollution. You can see what is air pollution. Air pollution is what makes our air dirty, and it's very bad for us to breathe. Over here you can see there's so much dirty air coming, and the kids' eyes are itchy and they are covering their nose and mouth so that they will be saved. Okay, next. Now these are some examples what cause air pollution. 1. Smoke coming out of factories, burning nature, smoke coming out of vehicles, from our chimneys, and by construction. Now let's hoppy hop to water pollution. Boom. Water pollution happens when you throw garbage into the water, which can harm the water bodies. This is an example of with a picture for you guys. I will be saying it, you can look at it and listen to me, okay? Water pollution happens when we throw the garbage into the water, which can harm the water bodies. If we humans drink this water, we could get sick. Water pollution can also happen like this. There is some boxes and dozens of other stuff lying around near the water. Now let's run to our next type of pollution. Noise pollution. Noise pollution can happen when there are loud sirens, loud music, honking, etc. Now I move aside and you can see in this picture, this little man is getting irritated with so many sounds and it's hurting his eardrums. Okay? Over here you can see there are vehicles making sounds, loud music, etc. This can irritate us and our eardrums. Sometimes your eardrums can burst holes, a very sensitive one. Be serious about it. Don't be like, it's okay, the doctors can do something. They can't. It's very sensitive. Please keep a low volume when you're listening to anything, even me. Okay? Now let's walkie to the next type of pollution. Land pollution. Pollution happens when you throw the garbage on the ground and when it mixes with the underground water and the soil, which makes it dirty, and we can't grow crops, fruits, vegetables, etc. Now we also cause land pollution by throwing chemicals on the plants. How can we save our environment? Stop polluting. Don't use plastic bags, bottles. Please do not litter. Don't use the vehicles which go on motor. Use bicycles instead. Plant more trees. On every of your parents' birthday or your own birthday, plant a tree or two to sell as a gift for the nature. Use fabric bags, reusable bags. Hey little bunnies, over here we come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you got some bright ideas of how do we stop making our environment dirty. Next video, Pinky swears, we will do next video, tux paint. So be ready. Alright? Bye. I forgot one thing. Wait. Subscribe, like, share the comment below. Bye. Bye.